Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. And right now, super excited to show you this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD that we just got. We actually just got it back. This is a vehicle that we sold last year to a good friend of ours, regular customer, and he's just come to the point where he does no longer need the truck and needed something with more seats, actually. So here we go, we've got it again and excited to have it. Just a beautiful truck, done absolutely right. My buddy, once he gets a vehicle, he goes just as far and even further as we do sometimes with the added features, such as the front and rear bumpers. These are factory chrome front and rear bumpers that he has wrapped and did a pretty good job on them overall. And you can see a little bit of the edge peeling there, and then the separation line right there from where you put the second piece on. But again, overall, really clean job on it. This is a gas truck. This does have the 6.0 fuel injected V8 in it. As you can see, it is very lifted. It does have the rough country lift on it. This is rolling on the fuel 20 by 12s and a 35 by 1250 Toyo open country tire. Got the really nice set of NFAB step bars on it here. He also added the tonneau cover there. As you can see, it does have a little bit of damage at the top of the tailgates here. Changed the bow ties on the front and rear just for a little added flair. Of course, tinted windows. This is the longer bed, not a long bed, but the longer bed. We have 3 different sizes in this year, I believe. This is not a northern vehicle, so you will not find any rust areas underneath of it, including the frame, the rocker panels, and the cab corners. Just a super clean truck. Does have the extending tow mirrors on it. This is an LT, so you do have your power windows and locks and tilt and cruise. Another thing he did was he added the white vinyl on the door panels there. Clean look to it. Seats are in great shape. Headliner's nice. This is a non-smoker's vehicle. Does not seem to have ever been smoked in. 2015 with 115,773 on it right now. He's also installed a rear camera, which plugs in here, and this is the actual activation for it, not just by putting it into reverse, but you hit that button and then the signal does pop up there for you, which is nice to have. Does have a nice Bluetooth setup. And then this is the split front bench seat that has room for a third person up front. Nice and clean interior in the back as well. But this is CARFAX certified. It is, of course, 4-wheel drive. We have a ton of great financing available for it. Warranty is included. And of course, always top dollar for your trade. So give us a call today. Let us know how we can earn your business. 757-487-7333. Again, tons of great financing, warranty included, top dollar for your trade, and we can also help arrange for shipping and delivery or even airport pickup. So give us a call. Let us know how we can put it together for you. Thanks for watching as always, and we look forward to hearing from you.